Hey guys, so I made my first flat 12S2P. You know, I usually stack it up, 2 layers. This is what I ended up with. I ended up using a little bit more tape than I would like. A little bit flaws in the design that I wanted to make it a little bit weird because. So here's my balance wires. This is the big negative, and then you got 1, 2, 3, blah 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 blah. I made the balance wire look pretty neat. Looks like almost like a little circuit. I like that, but I forgot that I was gonna flip and put the BMS on the other side. So you see how there's a little width, and I should have put the negative and plus on this side, but so I ended up sort of making it a little bit thicker than I would like. But obviously this is my first attempt at a flat battery 12S2P. I'm still satisfied. It's working really well. So this BMS, the lights will light up when it's fully charged. Let me go ahead and measure the battery pack for you. And when you measure it, just be really careful you don't short it. And my dog wants to go somewhere, I think. Positive. So I'm at 47.4. This is a 12S, so fully charged is 4.2 times 12, which is 50.4. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it with just a desk, like a regular 12S charger. You can also use a power supply, bench power supply, and set it to 50.4. And you can see the light is on red. So as it charges up, it should balance. We should charge to 50.4 volts, full 50.4. And I'll have a last video after it's fully charged, and we'll shrink wrap it. But it's all right for my purposes. This is gonna work out. I just didn't, you know, because I didn't like plan this out or design it. I just made it on the go. So you learn, and I'm a little rusty from making my last battery. Was like a few months back. So gotta make more batteries. Probably a 10S4P next with 18650s. The fake batteries I have. Have a great day, guys. Finally done with my battery. Took me like two full days. Actually took me a longer time than I expected, but I just wanted to make it really neat. But I like the back of it. Yeah. All right. See you guys.